Go ahead, steal my intranet. See if I care. Well, actually, I do care. I care that you are successful in your intranet build project. So we're launching a new tool that I want to show you right now. So here we are on SharePointinpractice.com, and we've rebuilt this site, and it's got a lot of great features and tools on it. The main thing I want to show you today is up at the top right here, where it says Steal My Intranet. So what this is, it is the many hundreds of intranets we've built here at Lightlever, and the knowledge of how those are structured and how they should be blueprinted are all loaded into this tool. So you come down here and you click Get My Customized Blueprint, and that'll walk you through about 2 minutes worth of questions, and then we'll email you a starting point, a blueprint to get you going on your intranet. Lots of other ways we can support you, but this is the one I want to show you right now. So go ahead, steal that intranet. Link in the comments, and reach out if you have any questions or feedback on this. Love to hear from you.